How to draw a face of a young man with mustache. Start by drawing the circle. Divide it into two parts. Draw the cheek line, that is the bottom part of the face. Then draw the neck. This is basically an ink figure to show the roughness and the authenticity of drawing with a black gel pen. This is what I'm showing it through this. Then you can draw the hairline, followed by the mustache. As we're putting the mustache here, we'll be seeing that the lip is not really visible. That is one key factor that we need to consider while drawing this face. Then draw his eyebrows and his eyes. Yeah, that's it. And then we are supposed to draw his shirt. I'm trying out a new design for his shirt here. It's a bit creative, diverse, wild. If you're interested in learning more human face or perspective, you can check out my YouTube channel. It's very informative. It has detailed videos. Thank you.